Hey there, gun enthusiasts! Are you ready to discover the most powerful, reliable, and battle-tested handguns on the market? In this video, we're revealing the top 7 best .45 ACP pistols that dominate in performance, accuracy, and stopping power. Whether you're into concealed carry, home defense, or just love superior craftsmanship, these pistols are absolute game changers. From military-grade favorites to modern masterpieces, we got the ultimate list you don't want to miss. So if you're serious about firepower, stay tuned. You won't believe what made our number 1 pick. Check the link in the description and let's dive in. Number 7. Nighthawk Custom Agent 2 stands out as a top-tier choice in the realm of best .45 ACP pistols, delivering exceptional precision and craftsmanship. Chambered for 9mm, .45 ACP, and 10mm calibers. This pistol features a 5-inch barrel and an overall length of 8.59 inches, making it both powerful and manageable. The Nighthawk Smoke Cerakote finish adds durability and a sleek, tactical look. Equipped with Heine black ledge rear sights and a bright red fiber optic front sight, it ensures quick target acquisition. The single safety design promotes simplicity and efficiency, while the 10-round magazine capacity offers reliable firepower. Weighing 40.1 ounces empty, it balances heft with comfort, aided by a regular grip thickness. Additional features like a stainless steel firing pin and a light rail for attachments make the Agent 2 a versatile and robust handgun built for serious shooters seeking accuracy, reliability, and style. Number 6. The Armory Life XDS Mod .2 OSP 3.3.45 ACP is a top-tier choice for those seeking power, precision, and portability in one compact package. Designed for concealed carry, this sleek pistol offers a slim single-stack frame that fits comfortably in the hand while delivering the hard-hitting performance of .45 ACP. With a 3.3-inch hammer-forged barrel, it ensures excellent accuracy and durability. The OSP optical sight pistol configuration allows for effortless mounting of red dot optics, enhancing rapid target acquisition. Enhanced grip texturing and the Mod .2 improvements provide superior control and comfort during firing. Its fiber optic front sight and tactical rack rear sight make aiming intuitive, even in low-light situations. Ideal for everyday carry, the XDS Mod .2 is a solid pick for anyone searching for the best .45 ACP pistols available today.
Number 5. Walther Arms PPQ-45 is a standout in the world of best .45 ACP pistols, combining German precision engineering with powerful American caliber performance. This pistol features a 4.25-inch barrel and a lightweight design at just 28.2 ounces, making it easy to handle without sacrificing power. The PPQ-45 offers a 12-round magazine capacity and a smooth, quick defense trigger with only 5.6 pounds of pull weight and a short 0.4-inch trigger travel, ensuring fast and accurate shooting. Its ergonomics are exceptional, boasting the same comfortable grip circumference as the PPQ 9mm, and ambidextrous controls like the slide stop and reversible magazine release make it suitable for both right and left-handed shooters. Recognized with the Handgun of the Year and Golden Bullseye Award, the PPQ-45 delivers soft shooting with minimal recoil, making it a top choice for reliable self-defense and tactical use.
Number 4. 45 Hong Kong dollars stands out as one of the best .45 ACP pistols on the market, blending innovation with combat-ready performance. Developed as an enhancement to the legendary USP-45. The 45 Hong Kong dollars features changeable backstraps for a customizable grip, superior ergonomics, and ambidextrous controls that cater to both left and right-handed users. Its Picatinny MIL STD 1913 rail allows easy attachment of tactical accessories, making it perfect for law enforcement, military, or civilian defense use. Designed as a potential service pistol for U.S. military trials, the 45 Hong Kong dollars also boasts an HK proprietary O-ring barrel for tight lockup and unmatched accuracy. Crafted with the renowned cold hammer forging process, the barrel ensures lasting durability and precision with every shot. This powerful, reliable, and feature-rich handgun makes the 45 Hong Kong dollars a top contender in the category of best .45 ACP pistols. Number 3. Sig Sauer P2 20 Legion .45 Auto is a full-size, precision-engineered pistol designed for serious shooters who demand performance and reliability. Chambered in powerful .45 ACP, it features a sleek Legion gray stainless steel slide and a durable alloy frame with comfortable black G10 grips for excellent control. Equipped with 3 8-round steel magazines and SIG's XRAY 3-day/night sights, it offers superior target acquisition in any lighting. The 6.3-inch barrel ensures accuracy, while the double-action/single-action trigger system provides smooth, consistent shooting. With an SIG rail for mounting accessories and a balanced 30.4-ounce weight, the P2 20 Legion delivers both power and precision. Its carbon steel components enhance durability, making it a top choice among the best 45 ACP pistols on the market. Whether for competition or self-defense, this pistol stands out in craftsmanship and performance. Number 2. Wilson Combat delivers exceptional craftsmanship with the ACP 1911 handgun, an elite contender among the best .45 ACP pistols on the market. Built using the highest quality forged carbon steel slide, frame, and match-grade barrel, every ACP is hand-fitted by expert pistol smiths for flawless performance and unmatched accuracy, guaranteed at 1 inch at 25 yards. Featuring the revolutionary eagle claw grip texture and slide serrations, it offers a secure yet comfortable hold, even in adverse conditions. With a 5-inch barrel, 8-round capacity, and a crisp 3.5 to 4.5 pound trigger pull, the ACP balances precision and control. The full-size frame includes premium bulletproof components like the beaver tail grip safety, thumb safety, and contoured magwell. Sleek, durable, and refined for shooters who demand performance without compromise.
Number 1. Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 full-size series is a powerful and reliable striker-fired pistol designed for those seeking one of the best 45 ACP pistols on the market. With a robust polymer frame and a stainless steel 4.6-inch barrel, this pistol delivers excellent durability and precision. It features a comfortable 1.3-inch width and an overall length of 7.9 inches, making it well-balanced for both duty and personal defense use. The M&P 2.0 comes with white dot sights for quick target acquisition and a thumb safety for added control. It holds a 10-round capacity in a full-size frame and weighs a manageable 29.8 ounces. The grip is ergonomically designed with enhanced texturing to ensure a firm hold under any conditions. Though it's not optic-ready and lacks a threaded barrel, it includes 2 magazines right out of the box. This pistol complies with various state regulations, making it versatile for many shooters. A top contender in the 45 ACP category for reliability and performance.
In conclusion, when choosing the best 45 ACP pistols, it's important to consider factors like reliability, accuracy, and ergonomics to find the perfect fit for your needs. Whether for self-defense, competition, or collection, these top pistols offer outstanding performance and value. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.